Yo, this is funny. So these people here, family, yeah, they got clamped, you get me? They got a ticket and a clamp. I know that because when I was driving the other way, I saw it. So I'm coming back from where I'm coming from now. A two gal in a family, and they're busting off the clamp, fam. I had to stop. She's got nail polish on and also don't play it though. You see, I bust that off. They're trying to bust it off. I've got to film it. I got. I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm trying to make it too obvious.
They can't get it out.
Well, we are gonna see. They bought the tools, boy. Oh, I got to. I can't.
But when they got a thing in it. They got a number in it.
Lean back, Dad, man. Oh.
What?
Yeah. They don't care. Maybe. No, what's up? Maybe this off. I've done the same before.
But you got a thing already, yeah?
I've done the same myself. Well, I didn't, but someone done it for me.
But they got you then got your thing and everything. They ain't got your registration and all that.
They don't care about that, man.
They come for you anyway, don't they? I think you're going to get the thing.
They don't care about that, man.
They're taking too long, man. They ain't got a clue. Look at it, they're praying.
I've got to laugh, man. I've got to laugh. Get me. They're like, nah, not on my watch. I don't know though, they're taking a bit long still. And you know the prison's just there. What's a prison? Not even 400 meters away.
Got it out yet?
Oh, well done, ladies. Well done.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, well done, ladies. Well done. Well done. Well done.
She living in there.